Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Hostinger's advanced file manager. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan possible. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now, what we're gonna do, first of all, we need to access the file Hostinger's file manager. Go to the Edge panel and log into your Hostinger account and choose a hosting plan and click manage, right? And then in the website dashboard, select file manager, right here. This is your website, for example, and click file manager. And if you want to use the Hostinger's file manager to understand how file manager works, we will show you how to navigate the tool. First of all, you have my files. Open the file manager's root folder. You can create a new folder and you can create a new file, and to the trash bin, of course, for deleting the files or viewing the deleted files, and the settings for configuring a file manager, including its language. And you can log out from the file manager, and you can, in the space, you can see how much storage space is currently used. In the inodes see the current number of inodes, which indicate the number of files and folders on your hosting account. The file management area is in the middle of the interface, where you can see the current history, current directories, files, and folders. You can right click on any file or folder to rename, copy, move, delete, and more. Additionally, the breadcrumb navigation at the top shows your current location and lets you quickly jump to the other directories. All right. And the third area is the top menu, which contains various options similar to the right-click feature, plus several advanced tools. You can manage files and folders. To create new file and folder, you can just go ahead and click new file or folder. And if you want to download or upload a file or folder, use the top bar right here, the uploading icon, right, or this one, okay. And to copy, rename, move, delete a file or folder, simply just right click the mouse or choose the action that you want to perform from the drop down menu. So if you want to edit files, File Manager has a built-in text editor that lets you directly make changes to files. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.